Do you want to know how you can download the PDFs using WhatsApp Web? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download the PDFs in your WhatsApp Web. First of all, go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to web.whatsapp.com and then log into your account by scanning the QR code from your phone. After you do so, go ahead and tap on the person for whom you have sent the PDF or who has sent you the PDF. You can see the download option here. So if you click on it, you can see that your PDF has been downloaded. So if you go ahead and click open file, you can notice that the file has been downloaded and you can use it. And let me show it to you once again, guys. Open web.whatsapp.com, log into your account by scanning the QR code from your phone, and then open a person's chat. And if you hover around a PDF, you can see download. If you click on it, you can download the file. This was a video on how you can download the PDF on WhatsApp Web. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.